Good morning and good day everyone. So another day, another unboxing naman po tayo. And for today's video or for today's video, we will be unboxing this TWS or True Wireless Sound System from Lenovo that I bought. This one is called Thinkplus. Lenovo Thinkplus. I'm pretty sure you can this is very prominent dito sa mga in TikTok or Shopee or Lazada if you're looking for TWS. No, so this one is from Lenovo, and this is the box. So malit lang siya. It's a very simple box, black box with orange, or I'm not sure if it's really orange, but red-orange color din yung back ng box niya. So let's open it. Then meron siyang plastic container na very soft lang na plastic container. The manual. It does not have warranty, so yan. Manual lang yun. And then meron siyang charging cable. Ayan, it's a type A to type C. And then here's the TWS charging container. So let's take it outside from the plastic. So this TWS is running in a version of Bluetooth 5.3. And then according to manual, it has 3.5 hours usage time. And battery capacity is 28 mAh. While the container, with the big one, is 300 mAh. Which according here can last up to 1.5 hours charging time sa kanyang chamber. So pwede yung matagal-tagal ang charging, 1.5 hours. So ito yung earbuds niya. And then wala siyang silicone tip. So you can just put this directly. And the assumption here is, since wala siyang silicone tip, so you will just, parang universal yung ano niya. Kasi yan meron siyang sa gilid. Parang buttons. Pero very sensitive yung buttons na yan. Then this one is the container. So you can, there's nothing on this container except that umiilaw siya sa may putan. And may parang siyang jellyfish-ish yung style. It's because transparent yung other part, which is the bottom part. So pag hindi siya umiilaw, hindi mo mapapansin na transparent. And then this will only that LED will light up kapag nata-charge siya. Yung loob, yung mga buds, kapag nata-charge yun inside this container, it'll light up. And it will just disappear the light pag matatapos lang. Pag kapuno na, or after a few minutes, ayun, while charging. In terms of connection between the phone that this TWS is connected and earbuds or earpods that being on my ears, there is this not so nice connection. I tried it when I was outside, around less than 10 meters, and it's not really that good. There is a disconnect, random disconnect while wearing it. What I like about this one is it's very light on your ears. It's not giving you strain or something like that while wearing it in a longer period of time. So ayan, that's the Lenovo Thinkplus TWS. Hope you liked the video and see you on my next video. Bye!